about this one vampire. Crazy bloke. Always on and off the wagon for decades. When he was off, he was magnificent. 1917, he went into Monterey and wiped out an entire migrant village. A true ripper. Sound familiar?
I haven't been that way in a very long time.
Well, that's the vampire I can make a deal with. That is the kind of talent that I can use when I leave this town. Katerina, come here. You want your cure? There it is. Your blood is the cure. Gotta love Mother Nature. Now,